where the school's gyms have been transformed into shelters. Wes, they started this process last night. What are they expecting today?
Barkley, good morning. Emergency crews here in Augusta have been working hard and are preparing for the worst just in case people from the Savannah area make their way up to Augusta due to evacuating for Hurricane Dorian. Local Red Cross, the Marshal's Office, the Fire and Public Health Departments all chipped in and helped transform both the Westside High School's gyms into evacuation shelters. There will be medical doctors and medical equipment on site at the shelters and about 100 beds in each gym with food, water, and other resources.
They'd have a nurse's chart on the board with the patients listed on, and so they will know who they're assisting, what they need, and who's responsible for checking on these evacuees. So this one is very important that we set up and be prepared earlier if they come.
Emergency officials are still uncertain how many shelters they will open depending on how many people from the Savannah area and many other places come up to Augusta to seek refuge. The shelter at Westside High School is not active right now, but we will let you know once it is. To volunteer with the Red Cross, you can go to their website or you can head to ours and click on the local Red Cross story. For now, I'm Wes Cooper reporting live in Augusta for WJBF News Channel 6. Back to you.